Hello YouTubers, welcome back to our video. In this lecture, we are going to study about cout statement, escape sequences and cin statement with the help of actual programs. So let's get started. Firstly, let's discuss cout statement. Cout statement basically came from console output and it has basic function of printing something on the console. The syntax of cout statement is the cout keyword, as you can see over here, and after that you put insertion operator. This is called stream insertion operator. Then you put the variable name or a constant that is inside the inverted commas or any integer or full float constant as it is. So let's see actual program and have our example. Here is our program example as you can see. So let's get started from the body of the main function. This is the body of the main function as I have highlighted over here. This is the body of the main function. It starts from here. So let's discuss constants first, which I have all highlighted. These constants are not stored anywhere. They cannot be printed until we use cout statement, or they cannot be stored until we use a variable and store them inside them. We can print constant with the cout statement. As you can see, I have done over here. In first line, I have printed a string constant that I have used in the inverted commas. In the second line, I have printed an integer constant without any inverted commas. As you can see, just a number. And after, in the third and fourth and fifth line, as you can see, I have printed other constants. Here, these are variables as I have highlighted. These all are variables. They are storing some values. Like integer typed variable, whole number is storing 159. Float type data type variable, decimal point is storing 14.7. Character type variable, character is storing an X, and string type variable is storing Fuzy is my name. To print these variables, we just have to write cout statement, insertion operator, then we just have to write the name of the variable, not the value, just the name of the variable. And we can use the name of the variable anywhere in our program. So that's all about cout statement. Let's get to the cin statement. The cin statement. The cin statement basically came from console input, and it has a basic function of inputting a value of a variable by the user. So let's see what is the syntax of this cin statement. First, we use a keyword of cin, then we use stream extraction operator, then the name of the variable. So let's see an actual program example. So here is our program example. Let's get to the body of the main function. In the first line, we are just declaring a variable named I. It can be any variable of any data type. So we are just declaring a variable named I. In the second statement, we just write a simple basic cout statement to enter some value which a user enters later on. In the third statement, we are writing cin statement with stream extraction operator, and we write the name of the variable in which we have to put our value. the last statement. We just see out the text value you have entered and we just put an stream insertion operator and then we put the variable of which. So here it asks for some value. Let's enter 5 for example and press enter. Look, it tells us what value I entered. So let's get to the next thing, which is escape sequence. So this is the escape sequence as you can see over here. Escape sequence /n. This means get to the new line. /t, print a horizontal tab. Tab means some spaces. \b, a backspace. Carriage return. Return that wherever this carriage return is used, the text entered in front of it will be overwritten to the text entered behind it. We are going to use this in later on in our example. \a, it prints a bell, a sound from the computer. \, we use this single inverted comma. It prints an inverted comma in our printed text. \double inverted comma. We use it to print double inverted commas in our text. \question mark. We use it to print a question mark in our text. \backslash to print a backslash in our text. \f form field in our text. \v produce a vertical tab like in the produce spaces between lines. \0 produces a null value, and these two are used to print octal value and hexadecimal values. They are used, escape sequences are used to control output look. How our output looks. These characters are used inside the double inverted commas. And these escape sequence characters like this N, this T, this B are not printed. So let's get to an actual example and check these. Here is our actual example. So let's check these. We just use a cout statement and print hello world. Let's enter a escape sequence over here. We just use /n. It will just do hello will remain here and the world will go on to the next line. Let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot to put a semicolon over here. Now let's check what happens. We just run this. And here it is. Look, world is on the second line. Here we are seeing a space over here. As you can see, there is a space over here. To remove this space, we just have to link N with the world. Look, now there is no space over here, as you can see. Let's use another. We are going to use carriage return, or let's see what happens now. Look, hello has been overridden by the world. Let's write another. We just put a backspace. Let's check what happens now. Look, the space have been removed. Here we have a space over here. as you can see, a space. But in here, our space is removed. Let's check another. Let's print a tab. Look, there are a lot of spaces in Hello World. Let's print vertical tab. But first of all, let's write and put a vertical tab. It didn't recognize it. Well, just put an A. We'll check the other one. It produces a bell. So guys, this was our lecture for today. Hope you learned from it, and we are going to learn many more things in our next video. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and share it with your friends so they can learn from it as well. Thank you very much, guys.